Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. This week we're going to unbox my order from Lin Chia Ning's design studio from Taiwan. I'm showing you the box here because in terms of bespoke packaging, it's pretty next level. I love the attention to detail and even the packing tape over the top of the box. It's all brand design. When I open it up and have a look at the tissue paper as well, it's actually printed with her designs as well. But anyway, I'm going to leave you here and let's just sit back and listen to some music and look at the beauties within. And I'll see you at the end for some journaling. Bye for now. So, what did you think? Here's my new journal charm in situ. It's pretty amazing items, and everything was so beautifully wrapped. So it's no surprise that today my journal spread is actually using a lot of the packaging that the items I ordered came in. I saw that Lin Chia Ning was advertising that she was doing another mystery box, and being in Australia, the time difference shouldn't be that great with Taiwan. However, the orders were opening up at 11 p.m. on I think it was like the 19th of July, something like that. And quite frankly, I can't stay up to 11 p.m. So I knew that if I wanted some of her beautiful items, I couldn't really count on getting a mystery box, but it prompted me to go and have a look at her website. And on there I found those calendar stamps, which have been on my stamp wish list for a very long time, possibly 3 to 4 years, I think. I think she may have released them in 2017. I'm not 100% sure. Please correct me if I'm wrong. So while I was on her website and I found those stamps, I also chose the other items that you saw me unboxing. And what I didn't expect was all the beautiful gifts that were included with my order. So I really feel very fortunate that even though I couldn't put my hand up for the mystery box, I feel that I was given a little bit of TLC because they were getting ready for that event. Either way, I really appreciate all those free goodies, particularly those typewriter labels and sort of vintage style advertisement for cameras and pens. Here I'm just decorating the rest of my page with some Freckles PET tape that Helen from at Keep Your Chin Up or Cheery Letters sent me in my little birthday surprise box, and I think the colours just go beautifully with the other items that I have on the page. So I think you can make a beautiful spread even just with the packaging of some of the things you get. In the meantime, don't forget to go over to my last video and have a look at the giveaway, and I'm still working on that, by the way. It's been a busy week, but until next week, look after yourself, stay healthy, and thanks for watching. Bye.